If you're learning Spanish the same way people learned it 5 or 10 years ago, I have bad news for you. That method doesn't work anymore. Spanish didn't change, the world did. And if you're still trying to learn Spanish with textbooks, grammar lists, and perfect pronunciation, you're making it way harder than it needs to be. So let me show you the only way learning Spanish actually works in 2026. For years, people were told, learn grammar first, then speak. So learners memorized rules, but froze when someone spoke to them. In real life, nobody waits for you to conjugate verbs in your head. That's why so many people say, I studied Spanish for years, but I still can't understand it. Another big lie. Learn neutral Spanish. Because neutral Spanish doesn't exist. People don't speak neutral. They speak Mexican Spanish, Dominican Spanish, Colombian Spanish, real Spanish. When learners finally hear real accents, they panic. Apps are great. I use them too. But apps don't teach you how people actually talk. They don't prepare you for speech, slangs, or accents. That's why people say, I understand the app, but not real people. So what actually works now? 3 things. Input first. You listen before you speak. Videos, podcasts, real conversations, real Spanish, not perfect Spanish. Different accents, slang mistakes, speak early, imperfectly. Just stop waiting to be ready. Because confidence comes from doing, not studying. The goal isn't to sound perfect. The goal is to understand and be understood. That's how native speakers learn. That's how learners should learn too. If you want to learn Spanish the way people actually speak it today, this channel is for you. And trust me, this changes everything.